So in this video, I'm going to show Enhancement 9 that we've been working on this week. I'm going to show the products view and all the additional images that have been added. So we'll start by pulling that up. And so here's my Acme site. And we'll go to explosives, then small bomb, and then at the bottom, so you can tell right here, shows the additional images, the product thumbnails. So it shows the original thumbnail, and then it shows two other that I've added. So I did that for this page, and I also did that for the rope. So it's there. And now I'm going to show my valid HTML and CSS for this page. So it's complete, no errors. And then CSS, no errors found. And for this enhancement, I'm also going to show the size of the images. So I'm going to go to inspect, and the larger image can't be bigger than 500, and the smaller ones can't be bigger than 200, I think, and these are exactly 200. So there's that, and exit out of here. I also wanted to show when you log in, we're supposed to add the add a new product image page. So I just wanted to show that. It's all here. And then for the second part, I'm supposed to pull up my local I'm supposed to show my database images table, and that's right here. And as you can tell, here's the regular size, and then here's the thumbnail size, and for each one, it's there. So. And I think that's all I had to show for this video. Thanks.